What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a what's in my everyday carry bag. Last month I filmed a what's in my work/school bag, and you guys really liked it, and I wanted to kind of just ride that wave and show you guys what is in my bag from a day-to-day basis when I don't need my computer or notebooks or anything like that. Before we get started, I would love it if you subscribed to my channel and turned on the notifications. The back to school series is coming up, and you guys know, holy crap, it's like my favorite time of the year. It is always filled with giveaways and we have so much fun, and I really look forward to it. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out, and follow along on social. Usually I am a small bag kind of a gal. I remember when I was in middle school, big bags were the thing, and then everyone's kind of going back to the micro bags. But during the summertime, we are on the go. We travel a lot. We're always on road trips or like going to the beach, going here, going there. And I always throw my stuff in one large bag. I'll have a smaller bag for going out at night or when I don't need everything that's in here. And then throughout the summer, it just kind of stays that way. Can anybody relate? So my mom had a bag like this when I was growing up. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I need it. It's so nostalgic. This one has a little extra something special on it. So first of all, the adjustable strap is so nice. It has the nice shoulder cushion there. And then how pretty is the studs for the adjusting? Like, I just think it's so small, but it adds such a nice detail. This bag is the Eliza in the camel and rose. It is a bucket bag. They're all made in Italy. The leather is fantastic. It's so buttery. This is gonna be such a beautiful bag too when it does kind of get broken in and the leather gets a little softer and more malleable. I can't wait. So there are two ways this bag gets used. Like I said, every day, and then kind of like if we're road tripping traveling, you could totally use this as a carry-on as well. So some of these things are in here for the most part, and then sometimes they're not. So I'm gonna start with the things that are kind of maybe not in there every day, but get thrown in there when we travel. So one of those things would be a book. I'm currently reading Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens. If you guys didn't see, I posted a summer reading, summer books pick for you guys, and it has a lot of great summer books that you guys should check out. I'll have that also linked up there. Anyone catch my voice disappearing? The second thing that doesn't always stay in here, this is going to be a new planner system for me for this next, I don't want to say year because it's not the next year, but I'll give you a sneak peek. There's your sneak peek. And I'm excited to share with you guys how I've got this set up. This is gonna be my work agenda, and the reason that I'm finally going back to 2 planners, maybe I'll tell you guys in this video. It's kind of a big announcement. I'll tell you. One second. The nice thing about this bag as well is that it has, find it, similar to like a Neverfull, it comes with a beautiful wristlet, and it has a nice little button. Instead of a clip, like a lobster clasp, you can just take it off of the button like that, and then you have a nice little going out bag. And the inside is also the rose leather, so it's all leather, the whole thing. I just think it's such a classy bag. I love the colors. Gosh, this might be my favorite one from Teddy Blake that I've gotten. You can also take the bag off if you wanted to. It's huge. Like, you could fit so much in here. I mean, I could put my computer in here if I really wanted to. Okay, and then if you saw my last video, you guys know that I always carry my Louis Vuitton pochette accessory around as well with an adjustable chain. It's also another good going out option if I need more room than the one that's in this Teddy Blake. Although this one is pretty large, this one's a little thicker, so I do keep both, and there's some things in here that are just constant, like gum, chapstick, and a perfume. So the only change, let's see if there's anything fun in here. When you go out and you don't want to actually drink or do really high calorie cocktails, even if you do want to have like a vodka soda or something, or tequila water, whatever your drink of choice is, I really like using Crystal Light packets. This one is not actually Crystal Light, it's the 4C brand lemonade. And then if you're doing a danger or if you're on the beach, they also make them caffeinated, so that's really helpful. I have a pen. This is from Solid Ground Church in Lewis, Delaware. I went from talking about dangers to church. It's all good. I have a couple dollar bills because there's a lot of cash bars down there. We just had a big weekend down there, so that's why there's like random things like Mento packets. I have a, oh, this is cool. I have a VIP Starboard entrance card, so I don't have to wait in line. I have my keys, I have a Haan card case clipped on there. I usually have extra hair ties, but they're magically all on my wrist today. I got this invisible one in my FabFitFun box, which I absolutely love. I didn't get the hype until now. I totally see the hype. If you guys want to check out my review of the summer FabFitFun box, I'll also have that linked up here and down below. Next, I have a Louis Vuitton, this is the mini agenda. I have, what do they call that? They're just like the old school photo. When people used to keep photos in their wallet, it's one of those inserted, and I keep cards and bank info in there, so when I go to the bank, I have all my stuff. I have my sunglasses. These are my summer shades. I always have my Ray-Ban Justins. I've had them since I was 15 and they go everywhere with me. But during the summer, I do really enjoy the look of a classic aviator as well, because it's, I don't know, it also kind of works well with this outfit I got going on. I have a big head, okay? Just forewarning you. I like the larger aviators. The small ones don't look right on my face. You can awkwardly see my eyebrows, but because my eyebrows are not the same, it just doesn't look good. So we do the large aviators. I have my pill case. This little thing is so handy. I purchased this on Amazon. It was featured in my Amazon favorites. And I like that it's that, it's plastic, but it's like that soft plastic. I don't know what it's called. Tabs, but 2 compartments per tab, so you have 6. And I keep my probiotics, my hormone balance supplements, which are from Golo, and then my collagen. Because sometimes, like when we're on the road, the one thing I don't want to forget, so if I don't pack the bottles, I know that they're already in my purse. This might be an East Coast thing, I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong, but we're real big koozie people here. So I always have at least 2 with me just in case Kyle needs one. So I have a Starboard Raw 2019. If you guys are Mid-Atlantic people, you guys, you know the Starboard. And then I have, this is a Simply Southern koozie, and it's actually really big, and it has a little spot for your cards or cash. I would probably not put a card in here, but I would totally do some cash for cash bars and things like that. And it's really cute. It says that God is my anchor. And then it has a big anchor. If Kyle sees this, which he probably won't because he really doesn't have access to computers right now, I think he would shake his head. I feel like I'm gonna be a prepared mom. And I say that because this is like this is my everything, you never know what's gonna happen kit. And we'll start in the front. It's a Lily Pulitzer 2-sided makeup toiletry bag. I got some snacks in here. First, we have a chocolate chip cookie dough Quest bar. This is the OG. This is the best flavor. Don't argue with me. It just is. You can do so much with it. You microwave it and make cookies out of it. It's delicious. Sometimes you just need a little sugar pick-me-up, and you guys know I post about Wetherspoon all the time because I work for them. Not only do I work for them, but I love their products, and so I keep a couple of their Manuka honey raw lollipops. They're like 4 to 5 carbs per lollipop, all natural, made with real fruit and obviously the honey. Seriously, so good. Kind of want one right now, to be honest. So this is a newer product from Wetherspoon. These are the Manuka Plus packets. You can take them on the go. I like to keep mine in the fridge and then pop them in my bag before I go anywhere. And they all have probiotics and a lot of different nutrient dense properties in them. So this one is for clarity. It has chocolate caramel with sunflower seed butter, but the ingredients are pretty awesome. They have prebiotic tapioca fiber, the sunflower seed paste, raw manuka, green coffee extract, raw cocoa, and then all the probiotics. So I love this one. It's like a great little energy boost, and it tastes really good. You could also put this on toast or something if you wanted. During the summertime, I put SPF on constantly. You will notice by the contents of this bag what I'm talking about. I also have a hairspray, but I need to get a travel version. It's the Moroccan, really? I need to see if Moroccan Oil has a travel version of the protectant spray, the SPF, no, UV protectant spray, because I love it, but I love this tiny face SPF lotion. Ooh, it smells so good. It really is, you know, if you take suntan lotion and just normal Moroccan oil and they had a baby, so like my 2 favorite scents. So I love this. I wish they had a perfume because I'd be all over it. And then in the big pocket, I have a mini deodorant. Sometimes I use the spray Dove version of this, which I really love as well. I have my Kula SPF setting spray, which is amazing. This is SPF 30 and it's 70% organic. I talked about this in my last video. Really keeps your makeup like on your face and has the SPF. This is one of my new favorites. This is the Dove coconut. Is it coconut? Just coconut. dry shampoo. Smells amazing, works amazing, it doesn't leave the white residue at all, so I love that. I'm almost out, I need a new one. This is a mini wave spray from Way Hair Care, and I like this. It has super, super potent fragrance, so it's really great when we're out in Dewey at the bars, or we do no shower happy hour, which sounds so gross saying that on camera, but it's when we go to the beach and then like straight to Dewey to have a night. And when you are from like when you do that, you want to smell good, so this actually comes in handy. Plus it really does keep your hair locked in and looking wavy and mermaidy. So I do like that a lot, and it's small so I can put it in my bag. Nail file. I'll keep whatever lip combo I've got going on. So today we have NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Banana Split. I used really little of this just on the center of my lips, but I used a Kylie lip kit Party Girl. And then the last thing I have is a perfume. I always have perfumes in every bag, in every wristlet. There is a scent. Oh, I love this one for summer. Oh, it is so, it reminds me of something. And if any of you wear this, let me know what it is, because it's a summer thing. It's gonna drive me crazy, but Juliet Has a Gun. It's just called like that's what it's called. Because it's really like, it's a little grandpa-ish. I mean that in the best way possible. I don't know. Dude, it's great though. It's really good. Lastly, I do carry a water bottle everywhere. I am that chick. This is a Yeti. It's a custom Yeti. This was the limited edition color. Has the May Movement logo on it. Pretty cool. Currently, I've got some water and some Crystal Light Lemon in there. So that was everything in my beautiful Teddy Blake Eliza bag. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I carry on the daily. If you guys want to have a special discount, check my coupon code down below. I'll also have it right here for you guys. I seriously cannot say enough good things about Teddy Blake. If you've ever been wanting to try their bags and you've been hesitant, take it from me. I love their bags. You've seen them in countless videos. I use them all the time. And this one is just gorgeous. They also make it in a smaller size, and they have tons of colors. They even have them in suede. So definitely check that out. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're excited for the back to school series, because it's starting now. Like, it's here. We're starting in July. It's so exciting. So make sure you're subscribed and followed along on social, because the giveaways this year are going to be insane. Craziness. So excited. But I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.